I tried SecuX hardware wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first picked up the SecuX hardware wallet, I expected a simple cold storage device. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that this wallet is far more advanced and surprisingly underrated compared to the big names like Ledger or Trezor. On day one, I noticed the design. It's solid, made of aluminum alloy, and feels premium in hand. But what really caught my attention was the 2.8-inch full-color touchscreen. Most people underestimate how useful that is. It makes navigation fast and intuitive without needing to scroll through tiny menus. By day 2, I set up my accounts. Process was smooth. Generate a seed phrase, confirm it, and you're ready to go. It supports more than 1,000 coins, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, SORP, and ERC20 tokens. Pairing it with the SecuX mobile app via Bluetooth was seamless, and transactions were confirmed both on screen and on device, giving me full peace of mind. Midweek, I tested sending and receiving crypto. Each transaction required physical confirmation on the device itself, making it virtually impossible for remote hackers to access funds. And that's where the security difference stood out. The app uses a military-grade secure element chip to store private keys offline. By day 6, I realized how practical it was for long-term holders. The large screen makes it easy to verify wallet addresses, something that prevents phishing attacks, a huge issue for crypto users today. After 7 days, the shocking truth became clear. The SecuX isn't just about safety. It's about confidence, knowing your assets are protected by both hardware and smart design. It might not have the hype of other wallets, but it delivers exactly what most people in crypto truly need: simplicity, strength, and complete control.